Breaking news continues to dominate the headlines, and today we focus on one of the most closely watched trials in Nigeria, the case of Nnamdi Kanu. The courtroom has been tense, and the atmosphere is heavy with anticipation. Reports are swirling about dramatic moments, including claims that a secret witness may have fainted under the pressure of cross-examination. While these details are not fully verified, they highlight just how high the stakes are in this courtroom. Before we go further, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates as this story unfolds. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB, has been challenging the court at every opportunity. He has refused to mount a traditional defense, insisting that the charges against him do not have a legal foundation. This defiance has led to heated exchanges between him and the judge, raising questions across the nation about justice, legal rights, and political context. Every statement from the courtroom is being analyzed, and the tension is palpable. One key development is the setting of a judgment date. The court has fixed November 20th as the day to deliver its verdict. This marks the culmination of years of proceedings, and the anticipation is building. It is clear that the outcome of this trial will not just affect Kanu, but also the wider southeastern region of Nigeria, where the movement for self-determination has deep historical roots. During the trial, some of the prosecution's evidence has been rejected. Specifically, statements that Kanu gave while unrepresented were not admitted because of concerns about fairness and legality. This is a significant development because it underscores the principle that everyone deserves legal representation, even in cases of national security. Viewers, if you are following this, don't forget to like this video. Sharing it helps more people understand the developments in this story. Another point of interest is the nature of the evidence being presented. The prosecution has claimed that Kanu smuggled a Radio Biafra transmitter into Nigeria and used it to broadcast messages. While this is part of the case, the defense has also presented videos of prominent figures discussing community safety and defense, suggesting that there may be a wider context to consider. This creates a complex picture that is more than just a legal battle. It touches on politics, history, and community security. It's also important to note that Kanu has alleged that his prior statements to the Department of State Services were made under duress. He claims he was threatened and coerced during those interrogations. This raises serious questions about how evidence is gathered and the treatment of suspects in sensitive cases. Every viewer should think about the implications. The trial is not just about Kanu, it's about the standards of justice in the country. If you are following closely, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you get updates in real time. The courtroom drama has attracted national and international attention. Even though some reports, such as the fainting witness, are not independently confirmed, they reflect the pressure and intensity of the proceedings. The courtroom is charged with emotions, legal strategies, and political tension, all of which make this one of the most captivating stories in recent Nigerian history. Kanu's approach to his defense has been highly unconventional. By refusing a standard defense and challenging the very basis of the trial, he has created a situation where each court session is closely watched. Analysts and the public are debating whether this is a legal strategy, a political statement, or both. Regardless, it has ensured that the trial stays in the spotlight. The wider implications of this trial cannot be overstated. It touches on issues of rights, governance, and regional tensions. It also raises questions about how high-profile cases should be handled and how the justice system balances national security concerns with the rights of individuals. The courtroom is not just a place of legal procedure. It is a stage where the future of policy, law, and community trust may be shaped. Let's take a moment to reflect on the tension in the courtroom. Each day brings new developments. Each witness, whether prosecution or defense, contributes to the unfolding story. While some moments may be dramatic or even unexpected, it is the cumulative weight of evidence, arguments, and legal principles that will determine the final outcome. Viewers, keep your notifications on and like the video. Staying updated on this case is crucial because the story is still unfolding. Even outside the courtroom, the trial has inspired conversations across the country. Citizens are discussing the fairness of proceedings, the nature of evidence, and what justice means in a case tied to historical and political context. People are asking whether trials like these set precedents for the future. These conversations are essential, and as a viewer, your voice matters. Comment below and join the discussion.